Turning 70 isn't the end of anything, but it is a turning point. Because after this age, small daily habits don't stay small anymore. They quietly shape how strong, independent, and energized your life will feel. The truth is, many people don't lose health suddenly, they lose it slowly, through routines they never realized were hurting them. Today we're talking about 5 habits to stop now so your next years can feel lighter, stronger, and more fully yours. Stay with me. Habit number 4 surprises almost everyone. Habit number 1, ignoring subtle body signals. Many people over 70 grew up pushing through discomfort. You don't complain, you don't make a fuss. But here's the problem. Your body whispers before it ever shouts. Persistent fatigue, changes in sleep, small aches that linger. These aren't just getting older. Listening early doesn't make you weak. It makes you wise. Because paying attention now often prevents bigger problems later. Habit number 2, sitting for most of the day. Comfort is important, but too much stillness quietly drains strength. Muscles weaken, balance declines, energy drops. And it happens so gradually you barely notice, until simple tasks feel harder. You don't need intense workouts. Even gentle movement, short walks, light stretching, standing up more often, can help your body stay capable and your confidence stay high. Movement isn't about fitness, it's about freedom. Habit number 3, eating the same way you did decades ago. Your body at 70 isn't the same body you had at 40. It needs different support. Lighter portions, more nutrient-dense foods, and steady hydration help maintain energy and clarity. Many people don't realize how much food affects mood, sleep, and overall vitality. Small adjustments, not strict rules, can make daily life feel noticeably easier. Habit number 4, carrying chronic stress or resentment. This is the habit people rarely talk about. Emotional weight affects physical health more than most realize. Holding on to long-term stress, worry, or old conflicts keeps your body in a constant state of tension. Letting go doesn't mean forgetting. It means choosing peace over pressure. Sometimes the healthiest decision is protecting your emotional energy. Because peace isn't a luxury at this age, it's fuel. Habit number 5, trying to do everything alone. Independence is something to be proud of, but isolation is not the same as strength. Humans are wired for connection at every stage of life. Sharing time with friends, family, or community supports mental clarity, emotional well-being, and even physical resilience. Asking for help doesn't reduce independence, it protects it. Because support keeps you strong longer. A healthy life after 70 isn't about drastic changes. It's about small, intentional choices repeated every day. You don't need perfection, you just need awareness. Because the habits you release create space for the life you still want to live. If one of these habits spoke to you, share which one in the comments. Your honesty might inspire someone else to make a change today. And if you believe your best years can still be meaningful, tap like and subscribe. This channel is here to help you stay informed, encouraged, and confident in every stage of life. Remember, aging isn't about losing control. It's about learning where your power truly lies. And sometimes the simplest decision, to stop one small habit, is the moment everything begins to improve.